I think si Bella nag-tweet a few days ago, may nireplyan kang tweet na mas mapanakit daw to. Ito daw yung pinakamapanakit mong movie so far.
Yeah.
How did you say that? And reaction, Carlo, kasi ikaw rin, kilala ka rin namin bilang mapanakit sa mga movie.
I said it with pride.
Yeah.
Ano to eh, I kept parang discussing with Carlo nung nagsa-start pa lang yung shooting na parang itong movie na to, ito yung magiging classic film natin. No? Kasi feeling ko kaya kami pinagsama ulit dahil sa Meet Me at St. Gallen. And hanggang ngayon, laging nauulit at nauulit yung mga videos ng Meet Me at St. Gallen. Hanggang ngayon natatag pa rin kami dalawa pag may Pilipino pumupunta ng St. Gallen sa Switzerland. So, it's become its own beautiful thing. Like Meet Me at St. Gallen has its own little world. But I think a special memory will be our film. Like this is, or at least I don't know if it's the same for Carla, but for me, I feel like this is one of my films na I would like to think would be a classic. Because obviously I have Jerry Lopez and also a national artist, Sir Ricky Lee, writing the script. So it feels very different from everything I've done. It feels more mature, it feels so grounded. The script, sometimes yung lines borderline poetic. Ang gaganda ng dialogue na parang ang hirap minsan parang pumasok sa eksena kasi nabibigyan ko ba ng justice because the lights are so good. You wanna, give 800% if possible. But kaya talagang mapanakit siya because again, it's like nothing like I've ever done before.
How about you, Carlo?
Dahil, ano yun? Sorry ba? Ano yung question mo?
Gaano ito kapanakit? Mapanakit? Compared sa mga
May nakita akong IG post the other day. Sabi niya, pag nauulanan daw si Bella, alam mo masasaktan o nananakit si Bella. So tawag-tawa ako doon. Totoo naman din.
So, dami ko lang.
Oo, ang daming ulan dito. Basa kami talaga dito. Isa yun sa mga parang highlight ng pelikula. Well, gano'n naman talaga. Feeling ko kapag nagmamahal ka, may point na masasaktan ka talaga. So, yun lang naman. So, yung pelikula, si Sandra at si Dindo ay nagmamahal ng totoo. So, masasaktan at masasaktan sila dito.
Aabangan namin. Congrats guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.